The Tortoise and the Bird. A tortoise was resting under a tree, where a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have! It is made of broken twigs, it has no roof, and it looks so crude. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, this beautiful shell, is much better than your pathetic nest. Yes, it is made of broken sticks, it might look shabby, and it has no roof. Yes, it is crude, but I built it, and I like it. It just looks like any other nest, but it's still not better than my shell," said the tortoise. "You must be jealous of it, though." "On the contrary," replied the bird, "my house is big enough for my family and friends. Yours has only space for you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home," said the bird with a twinkle in his eye.